I guess one day I might actually treat myself to a new set of headphones. These are getting a bit old, and I think the speakers come loose. Nothing to do with me dropping them on the floor, obviously. I mean, that couldn't be the problem, could it? Oh look. So what have we got here? I've repaired these a few times. Actually, wires appear to be okay. But I'm sure I was getting no sound out of them. Could just be because they were out of alignment, you couldn't hear them. How can we prove it? I'll plug something into it. I'll get me my phone and play some music. Well, this video's a waste of time. I fixed it. That's all it was. It had just come out of the hole where it was supposed to be. I'd assumed the wires had broken when it had fallen off the table. So I'm playing music through it now. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up. Try and get it in there in stereo. Don't even know it's playing. Oh yeah, might be. Don't know if the camera will pick it up though, it's a bit quiet. But yeah, got sound coming out of both speakers. I didn't have any sound coming out of that at all when I listened to it just now, but that was obviously because the speaker had dropped down. So yeah, okay, well we won't be doing a big tear down with this video because it's fixed. It's pretty broken to be honest, but yeah, it's fixed. That's supposed to clip on there. That one's supposed to... which way does that go? There. Oh, it's dropped out again. Oh, come on. I'll have to glue it in place, aren't I? Alright. Well, you don't need to watch me do that. Bit of hot glue, I think, around the outside. That'll hold it in place. One day I'll buy myself some new speakers, headphones. Well, I suppose I should be positive about this. When I was manoeuvring it about to put some spots of hot glue on there, the wires did break off the terminal, so I have had to resolder it anyway. I'll stick it back together. I've fixed it again. One day I'll treat myself to a decent set. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.